Hello everyone! There is a serious mistake millions of people make in the morning when they start their day off by drinking water. We all know that a huge number of people drink water on an empty stomach in the early morning. But unfortunately, most people miss out on something very crucial to their health, which is adding lemon to their morning water they should keep on drinking. And many of them have a hard time bearing the bitter taste of lemon. For whatever reason, nobody should miss out on the wonderful benefits of lemon. So bear with us, because in this video, we will let you know about an everyday mistake that people should avoid. But before that, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to encourage us to keep digging up more interesting facts for you. Generally speaking, experts advise us to drink water with warm lemons every morning. Generally speaking, experts advise us to drink water with warm lemons every morning because lemon is full of natural elements that could rarely be found together in one source, as it contains antioxidants as well as some important mineral elements such as phosphorus, potassium, and other important volatile oils. For this reason, lemons have their own distinct medical properties as being a bacterial and viral antigen, and it is considered to be a major support of the body's immune system. Likewise, lemons stimulate the body's immune system to fight infections due to the high concentration of bioflavonoids, citric acid, magnesium, and calcium. So what does drinking a cup of lemon juice every day do to our body? First, it cleanses our body of toxins, helps digestion, reduces appetite, which helps in getting rid of extra weight, balances and neutralizes the pH of the body. Did you know that only 1 cup of lemon juice contains up to 178% of your daily needs of vitamin C? And to your shock, a common mistake most people do is that they get rid of the lemon peel and enjoy imbibing fresh lemon juice, and it is a very bad habit. Did you know that the lemon peel is one of the most nutritious parts in all types of fruits? Most people squeeze the lemon onto the water, but let us tell you that this is actually the wrong way to prepare the lemon juice. So, do you want to know what is the correct way to prepare lemon juice? Do not worry, we will give you the right way that will bring you the most benefits of your tasty fresh lemon juice. First, choose the fresh lemon fruit. Then, grate the lemon, and then squeeze it. Then cut the inner part of the lemon into slices. After that, put the lemon crumbs, the juice, and slices in a bowl and add cold or hot water as desired. Wait at least 15 minutes. You can enjoy your perfect healthy lemon juice at its twice original benefits. In the end, we would like to remind you of hitting the like button and the subscribes so that you always stay tuned. And if there is someone you care about, do not forget to share this video with them. Stay healthy.